When I say game changer, she changed the game of crochet protective styling with this beater. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial, another protective style tutorial, another video doing that new crochet method using the beater from Marissa Campo. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. I'll put her name on the screen, and also of course tag her in the description box. When I say game changer, she changed the game of crochet protective styling with this beater. If you haven't seen my first video where I installed these Boho human braids from Toyotress, I'll link that video up above. But in today's video, we're doing these 12-inch butterfly locks from Toyotress. I absolutely love Toyotress. I've used their hair on numerous occasions. I have a ton of videos that I'll put link up above and in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. But yes, Toyotress is definitely the way to go for protective styles. If you're looking for great quality hair, then make sure you check them out. Okay, so let's do a quick 360 before we get into this tutorial. I did get a lot of comments on Instagram like, yeah, if you do this method, you'll only be able to do a half up, half down. The parts are gonna show. Nope, not happening. I wear my hair down for most of the time. And to mention, these have been up for about a week and a half now. So a little bit late on the intro and outro, but here we are. So let's do a quick 360. No part showing. The hair is down. No issues. Let's get into the tutorial. have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you try this method? It is definitely beginner friendly. My main tip to you would be, if you have thinner hair, it's okay to do the 4 sections in the back or 6 sections in the back, 3 on each side. If your hair is thicker, fuller, coarser, then you probably want to do 4 to 5 sections in the back on each side, because trying to put that hair through the beater is a little bit of a struggle if you have really thick hair, but you can still do this. Just have to improvise. Just more sections. It'll still go super quick. This style is so easy, so beginner friendly. You can do this. I promise you. Again, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.